Most of the time, everything seems normal, but some days things, well, happen to your home. Dealing with maintenance or damage to your home and the repair process can be stressful. When these things happen, you need the right, experienced hands to take care of things. You don't have to spend a fortune for overpriced services to get your home fixed or remodeled. Or even worse, hire the wrong guy for the job. The last thing you need is wasting money on services you're not pleased with. Home repair doesn't have to be difficult at all. It's an easy and smooth process when you let me, Richard Levesey, and my team handle things. With decades of experience and a highly qualified team, Richard's Home Repair will ensure your home is shiny and new as fast as possible. We provide superb termite, fire, water, and storm damage restoration services around the Central Arkansas area at reasonable rates. We can install all types of doors, decks, countertops, and tiles. Need something unique? Not a problem. Custom woodworking, trim, closets, desks, and cabinets are things we're passionate about and highly skilled at. We'll even build a custom house for that special furry friend. What are you waiting for? Get a free evaluation and estimate today. Call Richard at 501-612-5651 to get started right away.